What if it had looked like a Ferrari, right? I mean, are we hung up truly on the looks, or are we hung up on the EV? Because our friend Maurice Merrick at Horsepower Heritage, who puts on a great podcast, had some good points. And the EU has these CO2 emissions performance regulations that are just getting more and more restrictive. And I think by 2029, he said that fleets must reduce their emissions by 15%, and 5 years later by a 55% reduction. And so, Ferrari is an independent, manufacturer. They have to find those numbers somewhere,